Welcome to our series on business startup success stories, where we delve into the inspiring journeys of entrepreneurs who have transformed their innovative ideas into thriving businesses. In this video, we'll explore the resilience, creativity, and determination that have fueled the success of startups across various industries. From overcoming challenges to seizing opportunities, these stories serve as a testament to the power of entrepreneurship and the human spirit. Join us as we celebrate the visionaries, trailblazers, and risk-takers who dared to pursue their dreams and achieve remarkable success against all odds. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur seeking inspiration or a seasoned business owner looking for valuable insights, these stories are sure to ignite your passion and drive for success in the competitive world of startups. Number 10, Celebration of Diversity. At number 10, we have the celebration of diversity, a pivotal aspect of many startup success stories. These stories often highlight how individuals from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and experiences come together to create innovative and impactful businesses. Embracing diversity not only fosters creativity and innovation, but also enables startups to better understand and serve a wide range of customers. By valuing diverse perspectives and harnessing the strengths of a multicultural team, startups can unlock new opportunities, drive growth, and make a positive impact on society. Number 9, Impact. At number 9, we have impact, a core value in many startup success stories. These stories often underscore how startups are driven not only by financial gain, but also by a desire to make a positive impact on society or the environment. Whether it's addressing social inequalities, promoting sustainability, or improving access to essential services, successful startups prioritize creating meaningful change in the world. By aligning their business goals with social and environmental objectives, these startups inspire others to pursue entrepreneurship as a force for good, demonstrating that profitability and purpose can go hand in hand to create lasting impact and drive meaningful change. Number 8, Persistence. At number 8, we have persistence, a defining characteristic of many startup success stories. These stories often highlight the unwavering determination and resilience of entrepreneurs who refuse to give up in the face of challenges and setbacks. By persevering through adversity, staying focused on their goals, and learning from failures, these entrepreneurs eventually achieve their dreams and build successful businesses. Persistence is not just a trait, but a mindset that propels entrepreneurs forward, driving them to overcome obstacles and turn setbacks into opportunities for growth and success. Number 7, Vision and Strategy. At number 7, we have vision and strategy, essential elements of startup success stories. These stories often underscore the importance of visionary leadership and clear strategic planning in guiding the direction of a startup. By defining a compelling vision and crafting a strategic roadmap to achieve their goals, entrepreneurs can effectively navigate the complexities of the business landscape and stay focused on their long-term objectives. Number 6, Teamwork. At number 6, we have teamwork, the cornerstone of many startup success stories. These stories often highlight the collaborative efforts of dedicated teams working together towards a common goal. By leveraging diverse skill sets, fostering open communication, and embracing a shared vision, startup teams can overcome challenges, innovate effectively, and achieve remarkable success in the competitive business landscape. Number 5, Learning from Failure. At number 5, we have learning from failure, a crucial aspect of many startup success stories. These stories often emphasize how setbacks and failures serve as valuable learning opportunities for entrepreneurs. By embracing failure as a stepping stone to success, entrepreneurs gain resilience, insight, and the courage to persevere through challenges, ultimately leading to greater innovation and growth in their ventures. Number 4, Customer Focus. At number 4, we have customer focus, a key driver of success in many startup stories. These stories underscore the importance of prioritizing customer satisfaction and understanding their needs and preferences. By placing customers at the center of their business strategies, startups can build strong relationships, foster loyalty, and create products or services that truly resonate with their target audience, ultimately leading to sustained growth and success. Number 3, Adaptability. At number 3, we have adaptability, a critical factor in the success of many startups. These stories often highlight how startups must be flexible and nimble in response to changing market conditions and emerging opportunities. By embracing adaptability, entrepreneurs can pivot their strategies, iterate on their products or services, and seize new opportunities, ensuring their ventures remain relevant and competitive in dynamic business environments. Number 2, Innovation. At number 2, we have innovation, a driving force behind the success of many startups. These stories emphasize the importance of creativity and forward thinking in developing unique solutions to existing problems or fulfilling unmet needs in the market. By fostering a culture of innovation, startups can differentiate themselves, disrupt industries, and create value for customers, setting themselves apart from competitors and driving sustainable growth. Number 1, Resilience. At number one, we have resilience, a foundational trait in the success of countless startups. These stories highlight how entrepreneurs must navigate through challenges and setbacks with determination and perseverance. By bouncing back from failures, adapting to changing circumstances, and staying committed to their goals, resilient entrepreneurs are able to overcome obstacles and ultimately achieve success in their ventures. As we conclude our exploration of business startup success stories, we're reminded of the resilience, innovation, and determination that drive entrepreneurial success. From overcoming obstacles to seizing opportunities, these stories showcase the transformative power of entrepreneurship and the impact it can have on individuals, communities, and industries. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur seeking inspiration or a seasoned business owner looking for valuable insights, these stories serve as a testament to the limitless possibilities of pursuing one's dreams. As you embark on your own entrepreneurial journey, remember to embrace failure as a stepping stone to success, prioritize customer satisfaction, and remain adaptable in the face of change. With passion, perseverance, and a willingness to learn, anything is possible in the world of startups. Here's to your success as you continue to write your own startup success story.